Have you ever felt stuck, wondering why wealth seems to flow so easily for the rich while others struggle to get ahead? The truth is, the wealthy don't just rely on savings or basic investments like real estate. They leverage strategies and opportunities that most people overlook. In this video, we'll reveal 15 powerful investments that the rich use to multiply their income, protect their assets, and build a stable financial future. These insights will empower you to think differently, diversify your earnings, and take control of your finances. From smart financial assets like dividend-paying stocks to alternative options like startups, cryptocurrencies, and even personal development, we'll cover it all. Stay until the end to discover how you can start applying these strategies, regardless of where you're starting from, and begin building wealth like the rich today. A limited view on investments. For many, the idea of investing is limited to a few familiar options: savings accounts, real estate, and, occasionally, stocks. While these are valid starting points, they often fail to unlock the full potential of wealth building. Most people don't realize that the wealthy approach investments with a much broader perspective, tapping into strategies that go far beyond the basics. The problem lies in accessibility and awareness. Traditional education systems rarely teach financial literacy, leaving most people unaware of the diverse opportunities available to grow their money. As a result, many people stick to safe options, which can't keep pace with inflation or provide significant returns over time. Meanwhile, the rich are exploring a world of investments that not only generate income but also protect against risks and create intergenerational wealth. Take this example: a wealthy individual doesn't just buy property, they invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, that allow them to diversify across dozens of properties with far less effort and cost. Or instead of simply saving money, they put it into assets that pay consistent dividends. These strategies aren't reserved for the ultra-rich, they're available to anyone willing to expand their understanding of what's possible. This lack of knowledge is precisely what holds people back. But the good news is that it doesn't have to. By broadening your view and learning the strategies the rich use, you can start making smarter, more impactful investment decisions. The 15 investments, unlocking the secrets of the wealthy. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: the 15 investments that the wealthy leverage to grow their fortune. These are not just about making more money, but about building resilience, stability, and future-proofing their financial lives. Dividend-paying stocks. Wealthy investors focus on stocks that pay regular dividends, generating passive income regardless of market fluctuations. For example, a share that pays a 4% annual dividend means a steady stream of income while the stock itself can appreciate in value. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Instead of owning a single property, which requires significant capital and effort, the wealthy invest in REITs. These allow them to own a slice of large-scale real estate projects, such as shopping centers or apartment complexes, while earning regular returns. Index funds. Simplicity is key here. Index funds track major market indexes like the S&P 500, providing broad market exposure at a low cost. The wealthy know that over time, these funds outpace many high-risk investments. Municipal bonds. Wealthy individuals often park part of their money in municipal bonds, which offer stable, tax-free income. These are ideal for reducing risk while maintaining steady returns. Startups and equity crowdfunding. Investing in startups can be risky, but the rewards can be astronomical. Platforms like equity crowdfunding allow individuals to own a stake in early-stage companies with as little as a few $100s. Art and collectibles. Tangible assets like fine art, vintage cars, and rare watches appreciate over time. The rich view these not only as investments but as diversifiers that hold value during economic downturns. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. While volatile, cryptocurrency represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. Wealthy investors often allocate a small portion of their portfolio to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, understanding the long-term potential of blockchain technology. Private equity and venture capital. These involve investing in private companies or funding startups in exchange for equity. Although they require significant capital, the returns can far outpace traditional investments. Skills and certifications. Continuous learning is a priority. From leadership courses to advanced certifications in their field, the wealthy understand that improving their skills directly impacts their earning potential. Networking. Relationships are currency. Wealthy individuals invest time and money in exclusive events, conferences, and masterminds to build valuable connections that often lead to lucrative opportunities. Health and well-being. Success depends on longevity. Wealthy individuals prioritize fitness, nutrition, and mental health, often investing in personal trainers, wellness retreats, and cutting-edge health technology. Life insurance. Beyond basic coverage, the wealthy use life insurance as a financial tool to protect their families and create tax-advantaged wealth transfers. Estate planning. Trusts and wills are essential for the wealthy to ensure their assets are passed on efficiently, minimizing taxes and avoiding legal complications. Offshore accounts and diversification. The rich often keep part of their wealth in international accounts or diversified currencies to hedge against economic or political instability. Legal and tax strategies. With expert advisors, the wealthy reduce tax burdens through legal structures like LLCs or charitable foundations. This allows them to maximize returns and reinvest savings into growing their wealth. The mindset of the rich, thinking differently. What truly sets the wealthy apart isn't just their investments, it's their mindset. The way they think about money and opportunities allows them to make decisions that yield exponential returns over time. First, the wealthy focus on long-term planning. Instead of chasing quick wins, they prioritize investments that grow steadily and sustainably. They understand that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. For example, they invest in assets like dividend-paying stocks or real estate that consistently produce income, even if the growth seems slow initially. Over decades, this patient approach compounds into massive wealth. Next, they embrace calculated risks. While many fear losing money, the wealthy see risk as an opportunity, provided it's well-researched. They diversify their investments to manage potential losses, ensuring that no single failure jeopardizes their financial health. This mindset gives them the confidence to explore startups, cryptocurrencies, or other high-potential markets. Another key trait is continuous learning. The wealthy stay curious, attending seminars, reading books, and following market trends to keep their knowledge sharp. They know that adaptability is essential in an ever-changing economic landscape. Finally, the rich focus on value creation. Instead of simply saving money, they think about how to make their capital work for them, whether by building businesses, investing in others, or developing skills that increase their earning potential. By adopting these mental shifts, anyone can start laying the groundwork for wealth building, regardless of their current financial status. Common mistakes to avoid. Building wealth requires more than just knowledge. It also requires avoiding common pitfalls that hold most people back. These mistakes are often subtle but can have a significant impact over time. One of the most frequent errors is fear of taking calculated risks. Many people stick to what feels safe, like keeping money in a savings account, unaware that inflation erodes its value over time. The rich, on the other hand, balance risk and reward by diversifying their investments across multiple asset classes. Another mistake is failing to plan financially. Without a clear budget or investment strategy, money is easily wasted on non-essential expenses, leaving little room for growth. The wealthy prioritize financial planning, ensuring every pound has a purpose. Lastly, many people rely on a single source of income, such as a job, which can be unstable. The rich focus on creating multiple income streams, reducing their vulnerability to financial setbacks. Avoiding these mistakes can set you on the path to smarter financial decisions and greater stability. By now, you've discovered how the wealthy leverage 15 unique investment strategies to grow and protect their wealth. From dividend-paying stocks and REITs to alternative investments like startups and cryptocurrencies, and even investments in personal development and asset protection. These are the keys to building financial stability and resilience. The difference between staying stuck and moving forward is often knowledge and action. These strategies are accessible to anyone willing to learn, start small, and remain consistent. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like. It helps more people find this content. Your comments are incredibly important, so share your thoughts or questions below. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe to join our growing community. Share this video with a friend who could benefit, and don't miss out on what's next. If this video added value to your life, watch the next one. It's packed with even more insights to help you build the financial future you deserve.